So here we are walking through the forest at University of Maine.
Let me try and cut this part out so I have something to edit.
Oh,
Let's say something silly.
Something silly.
Okay.
Got some nice big red maples.
Yeah.
Probably could be thinned out in here. Definitely could be thinned out. Probably not mines.
You're gonna come back and do some more?
Probably.
Bring the chipper?
Huh?
Bring the chipper?
A lot of hardwood there, that's fun.
Yeah. So, when we find a good spot that has like distance and the sound, I'll try and kind of talk in this area while you're talking and see if it can still pick stuff up.
Okay. Whatever you want to do.
That's my plan. Yeah.
Don't feel too cold. This cookie is not cold though.
In elementary school, they always said at 60 you have to wear your jacket. Once it hits 60 or below, that's my threshold for coldness. I'm just perpetually an elementary school student. What is this building over here?
I don't know. That was bad.
Can we go straight or turn?
Turn, I don't think we're supposed to go over there.
Oh, okay.
Squirrel.
Squirrel.
Snowshoe trail.
Huh?
This is snowshoe trail. You see that?
Snowshoe. Oh, interesting. It's not my vocabulary yet. I didn't really comprehend what you were saying. So how do you feel about this grassy area up here?
Okay.
Or over here?
Hole 4.
Yeah. Looks like we're at an end.
No, it looks like
oh. I see a basket. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Some blue blazes.
Yeah, we can go this way.
Okay.
Yeah, I do see blue blazes, but there's definitely no trail over there. What do you want me to talk about?
I don't know. Name the trees around here.
So, this is a tulip poplar. I don't think it's actually a tulip poplar. It's poplar of some sort. It was really heavy. You got some pine, red maple, red oak, more pine, and no fir actually, which is kind of cool. Yeah.
Wow, I can't believe that guy's wearing a fanny pack.
What?
Sorry, you're supposed to talk at the same time as me so I could see if it picks it up.
I don't see any cedars around here. Actually, no cedars.
I wonder if he went to Georgia Tech since he's only wearing Georgia Tech stuff.
Cool.
Good job. Can you walk a little bit further away and talk about more things?
Okay. So, should I talk louder than this, or is this a good?
Yeah, you can talk a little bit louder. Pretend you have a class of 10.
Okay, so this is a hardwood forest here that we're walking through with a little bit of pine mixed in. Looks like it needs to be thinned out and kind of get rid of some of these smaller trees and space them a little bit better so the
I don't know if he knows what he's talking about.
younger ones can grow up and just make it a better forest.
Cool. Good job.
These woodpecker holes.
Wow. We have a woodpecker in our yard.
Oh, do we?
Yeah. Well, we had one. Oh, that's a pretty...
Yeah. She's still alive.
He's an impressive dude.
Yeah. He's still alive.
Yeah. That's cool.
Is that enough?
That's perfect.
Cool.
Thank you. And you persisted even with my comments about you.
Jerk. Alright, so now where are we going?
That's kind of it. We're just taking a nice little walk. I just want to figure out where it is. I hope we're at the right spot.
Well, I meant like after this.
Oh, that's it.
Okay.
We can go stop at.
Oh, we were going to go to those shops.
In Orono?
No, in Bangor.
Okay, yeah. Let's do that.
Maybe we can go, because what time is it?
I don't know. No, it doesn't say how much I'm here.
They may not open until like 11 or something.
But, I mean, it's 10:40 now.
Yeah. Oh, okay, that's not bad.
So it's not, yeah. The pros to waking up late.
Yeah. And we shouldn't need anything from the grocery store.
Well,
right?
We will need some more oat milk if you want it. I used most of it for pancakes today.
Okay.
So, have you heard that Progressive commercial on the radio? And they have like those silly accents. They're like, what are you doing today?
I don't think I've heard that one.
We can use our extra money to buy za with our what we saw.
Nice.
The guy's like, nothing makes sense and everything is weird.
I'm live.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. This is a cool forest.
Yeah.
Yeah, some different stuff than I normally see.
Well, that's why it's a university forest, Eric.
Yeah. But like all of this is like native.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not like the arboretum that they have an arboretum here, right?
I don't know. We have to explore it more. Yeah, I think there's a garden. There's got to be an arboretum here. A whole bunch of beautiful greenhouses.
I like how you're still holding it up like that.
I'm recording.
You're still recording?
Yeah. Why not? Because also I have to see like how long it's going to take to upload these things.
Yeah, yeah.
So the longer the better.
Yeah.
Even if we are just kind of hanging out, because he said one of his lectures took like 2 days to upload.
Oh wow.
So I know I'm not gonna like just film for an hour and try and do that, but you know, 15 minutes isn't too bad.
No, I don't think we should take that long to upload. I think he has a problem. Oh. Well, you can cut that out. You said you want to practice editing.
I think that bright space is difficult
Oh, yeah.
to access and try and do everything online.
Oh, you have to upload it to Brightspace?
Yeah, that's why.
Okay.
So it's like this media thing that is in Brightspace. You have to upload onto there. And then you edit it through there. It's not like I'm just like uploading it to the computer and like copying it to there.
Gotcha.
If that makes sense. I'm actually kind of warm now.
Nice.
This big puffy vest.
Yeah.
So blue and puffy today.
So blue and puffy. Should have worn blue pants.
I know. I don't have blue pants yet. I'll have to add that. If only I still had blue hair, then I would just totally match. Oh my god. Does she know how cold it is? She's probably from here.
Yeah. That's crazy.
We're like, what? I'm wearing 7 layers today. I'm not gonna make it through the winter.
No.
I really want to go to this gym. I wonder if they have an indoor track. That'd be really cool.
Mm-hmm.
I know at State they had an indoor track.
It might. I don't know. It doesn't look like they have enough room.
They might. There's a few floors. Like, look at that.
Georgia Tech
Massive
had a
gym.
Indoor track too.
Oh, is it cool? Okay. I'm just gonna wait till it gets to 10 minutes. And I got like 20 seconds. Buy the car.
By the car.
Yeah. I definitely want to go in that gym. One day. I got like 4 or 5 years here. I'll dabble in the gym.
Harold Alfonso Sports Stadium. I like that it's just a sports stadium.
What is it supposed to be?
Usually they're football stadiums. Or like
That one's
soccer
for
or
all the
something.
sports. It's inclusive. Here at UMaine,
Yeah.
we are
Inclusive about our
diverse and
sports.
inclusive. Alright, we're back at our bright blue car
Yep.
that matches my bright blue sweatshirt.